to this platform, and I represent a group of companies. The major companies are Bargach Finance and Vector Finance, both which work with financially excluded borrowers, women borrowers. We've been proud to support over 5 lakh financially excluded households till date over the last 6 years. I'd like to just narrate a small anecdote and it's more from my personal experience. I remember going for a branch visit to a place called Panskura. This was about 9-10 years back. And I remember what had happened. So when you go for a branch visit, you normally sit and you try to have lunch with the staff, so you get a better understanding of what is happening over there. And I still remember the conversation with the team at the branch was primarily around microcredit, microfinance, and there was no other conversation. And I connected with a more recent branch visit when I went to a branch called Chandrakona, which was about a month back. And the conversation was far more evolved. So the staff asked me that the conversation was around a debit card not working. There was another staff who said that why can't we look at MSME loans? There was another staff who spoke about that customers have started talking about financial goal planning. So even financially excluded borrowers are today talking about financial goal planning. There was another staff who spoke about risk mitigation, house insurance or home insurance, and Hospi-Cash, which is another product that got mentioned. So if you really think about it, what does a normal customer require in his individual requirements? He has a transacting requirement, so which is opening a bank account. The second is he requires access to credit. So then he requires loans. The third is risk mitigation in his life, which could be life insurance, or it could be home insurance, or it could be hospital insurance, financial goal planning. And the last is he needs to transfer money, fund transfers, remittances. So these are the 5 basic requirements which remain universal for any segment of customers. What you now find is that even the financially excluded borrower is talking about each one of these aspects. That need is there. And I think what has happened is that because he's got access to more information, he realizes what all he can gain access to. The stage is set now for financial deepening. For me, financial deepening has got 2 implications. One is more than just simple credit. Can we also have MSME credit, which is being provided by the MFIs? So that's one part of it. Home improvement, wash, these are other products that can be introduced. But I just find that today borrowers have a requirement for a much larger gamut of products, but the stage is also set because you've got distinct players supporting it, and you've got also the manufacturers who are able to create products for financially excluded households.
Yeah, you rightly said that now the next stage wherein you have reached is